Lingportal Online School presents
Learn English Easily, Gradable and Non-gradable Adjectives. Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about two types of adjectives in English, gradable adjectives and non-gradable adjectives. Let's start. What are adjectives? First, what is an adjective? In English, adjectives describe or modify nouns, giving more information about their nature, quality or state. For example, a big dog. The adjective big tells us about the size. A cold drink. The adjective cold describes the temperature. A happy person. The adjective happy tells us the mood. Gradable adjectives. Some adjectives express qualities that can vary in intensity, level or degree. They are called gradable adjectives. Gradable adjectives show different levels or amounts. For instance, the adjective cold can have varying degrees. Look at these examples. It's a little cold today. This means there is only a small amount of cold. It's very cold today. This means there is a lot of cold. It's extremely cold today. This means there is a very high level of cold. As you can see, the words like very, quite, a bit, extremely and really are used with gradable adjectives to show levels. Here are other examples of gradable adjectives. My bag is quite heavy, or a bit heavy, or very heavy. It depends on how strong the feeling is. This movie is quite interesting, or very interesting, or extremely interesting. It depends on how strong the feeling is. I'm a bit tired, or very tired, or extremely tired after work. It depends on how strong the feeling is. Here is a list of some common gradable adjectives and some modifiers that we can use with them. Non-gradable adjectives. Some adjectives are non-gradable. You can't say, my project is a bit or very finished. The adjective finished describes a complete state. The project may either be finished or not finished. Finished is an example of a non-gradable adjective. Some non-gradable adjectives describe states or qualities that are complete and cannot vary in degree. Something either has the quality or doesn't. There is no more or less. They are called absolute adjectives. Here are some examples of non-gradable absolute adjectives. Frozen means completely cold. Perfect means 100% good. You don't say very frozen or a little perfect. It sounds strange. Instead, we used words like absolutely, completely, or totally. Here is a list of some common absolute non-gradable adjectives and some modifiers that we can use with them. Some non-gradable adjectives contain the idea of very in their meanings. They express an extreme degree of equality, often to make the description more dramatic. These are called extreme adjectives. For example, amazing means very good. Furious means extremely angry. Let's look at the examples. Did you see that show? It was absolutely amazing. Here is a list of some common extreme adjectives and some modifiers that we can use with them. Final tips. Remember, if the adjective already sounds strong, like freezing, furious or terrified, use absolutely. The formula is the following. Absolutely plus non-gradable adjective. If it sounds normal, like cold, angry or scared, use modifiers like very, quite, a bit, and really. The formula is the following. Very plus gradable adjective. Easy, right? Quick test. Let's try a quick test. Choose the correct option. The water is absolutely boiling. I'm very tired today. She was absolutely furious. To wrap up, gradable adjectives describe qualities we can measure in degrees, while non-gradable adjectives show absolute or extreme states that can't be compared. Understanding this difference helps you use adjectives more accurately and sound more natural in English. Keep practicing and you'll master them in no time.